Good afternoon, my fellow traders. Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So we had a breakout that has happened yesterday, and that was something I've already mentioned you. I've prepared you to keep an eye. If we have a breakout above, we have a bullish continuation. Now, the benefit of taking your trades on 1 hour time frame is that you get an early signal of the breakout, which is right here. Now, the ATR of this candle is what? It is 4.3 or 4. I would say just round it off on 4. If you just enter at the breakout right here, the ATR is 4. Exactly like this. So just keep your stop loss 4, which is 40 pips ATR right here, and if you can just go 1.421, that has nicely hit the targets. Now that is something that was already mentioned to you. I want to show you the clip from my last video and then the video I've posted just for my members. If you are a YouTube member, I've already given you a signal in my video that prepare for the breakout. If that happens, we have a buy signal, and that is how we learn the entries. And we are getting some good bearish signals as well to keep an eye on, which is something I'm going to get to. But let's see the clip and then we can connect the dots from there. Looking on 1 hour time frame, I've not tested natural gas heavily, but we are getting ascending triangle pattern here as well. Looking at some touches here, we might get one more push up and few touches here before the price break above or below. Remember, we are now in the level of resistance. If the price broken down below, that's a solid confidence. The price will likely to push down from here for aggressive traders on 1 hour time frame. And also if we are broken above, in that case we have a trend continuation and price will likely to push up. Remember, if the price close above these highs, very important, if we are close above these highs, that signals the price is no longer bearish and we can see a possible continuation. So we'll see a breakout on 1 hour. That's an early signal. We have a breakout of this pattern, means we have a likely signal price will likely to continue to push up. But for less aggressive entry, wait for the retest, pullback, and engulfing pattern to go long. If not engulfing pattern, at least I'll wait for the retest of the previous trend line, which is right here, and then price will likely to push up. If that close as a 1 hour candle here on this platform. Similar, so make sure you're very careful with the close of this 1 hour candle, and on 4 hour as well. If that close as a solid close above this high, then we are completely bullish. Nice one. So first, this is the strategy I'll be putting in the course as well. A breakout happen at the resistance. That's something you're going to get by the end of this year. If you have not signed up with my course right here, a premium plan, that is a biggest offer, just happens once a year. Trust me guys, 40% off. I don't normally do 40% off throughout the year, but that's a one time and once in the year in November, a premium plan, and with that you get these two plans. With that you also get access to my Discord group and my money markets AI trading bot. And talking about my AI trading bot, as you can see, it has triggered a signal here on natural gas right here, and that nicely hit the target. So that's something you're going to get with the course, with the full course, and that is a discounted price you're not going to get throughout the year. So make sure to get it before it ends. Now, what I'm expecting from it. Now, very important, when the zone is broken, the price does two things. Either it continue to push up in a trend, or it give us a fake out liquidity sweep and then start to push down. And what we call it a head and shoulder pattern. Now, if you look here, we have a left shoulder, we had a pullback. This might be a head, and then we might get a right shoulder before the price pushes down, or we might get a continuation towards the upside to the next level. So two things can happen, either a continuation or a head and shoulder pattern. Now, I'm going to give you a condition for both. Now, let's say if there is a head and shoulder pattern, I'll be still looking for buy trades as of now, because we are now broken above these highs. Now, first, don't get confused. Listen to this condition, which I'm going to mention now. At this point, if there's a solid pullback above 50 EMA, I'll be going long. And if there's a pullback, entry bullish, with my engulfing candle, I'll be going long with 1 ATR for my target. Now, the volume of nat gas is very high. Normally it's at 40 pips, 45 pips or 50 pips. As you can see, the ATR is 80. The ATR keeps with the volatility of the market, and at that time we have lots of volume in the market. Means we can see a big and massive moves out of natural gas soon. At this point, I'm expecting a bullish moves, but a pullback is something we're going to get a profit taken here before we get another bullish engulfer to go long. So if we have a bullish engulfer, in that case, I'll be going long. Now, what if the price is in a process of forming a right shoulder? Now, if the price come down here to form a bullish engulfer, it must give us a pullback, and if we have a bullish engulfer right here, that might be a signal of a right shoulder, but that is a move we need to capture to take the profit if we have a bullish confirmation here, and in that case we have a bullish engulfing pattern as well. And if there is a bearish signal right here, we are going short. If there is no signal here, then we are just simply going long. So that is the signals we need to keep an eye, and I'll keep you guys informed as well in my upcoming videos. Don't get confused, I'm uploading videos every day for you. If there is a signal like this, I'll keep you guys informed, but for the sake of learning, you guys need to know as well not to rely on me or anyone else in the market completely. So make sure you're looking for the signal. For now, what I'm looking at, I'm just looking for some more pullback. If that happens, that's a very solid confidence for me to go long with engulfing patterns. That is all I'm looking at. We have broken off the highs, and now we can see a possible continuation towards the upside. Now remember, no signals means no entry. Wait with patience. If there is a signal, like we had a breakout signal, if there is a signal like engulfing candle, we are just going long. Doesn't matter if it happens in between 20 and 50 EMA, above 50 EMA, it must happen. If that happens, we are just going long using 1 ATR for the target. And by the way, I'll be coming live, a public live session, and I'll be doing live in InvestLow YouTube channel. Now, if you have not followed me on Telegram, I'll be posting my live session link there. So make sure you follow me on Telegram so that I can post the link so that you can all join me. And if you have any questions regarding anything or any broker's question, we can chat there and we'll do market analysis live as well. Might take some trades there. So make sure you follow me on Telegram so that you can get a notification there as well. Otherwise, I'm also going to post the link under my YouTube video's description once I announce the live session. It might be on Sunday, so keep an eye on tomorrow's video. I'll be posting there, and Sunday live session, I'll see you there so that we can do some live trading. So keep an eye there. Now here on NEMX 1, Natural Gas 1, as you can see, right on the future platform, we had breakout above all we are looking at. Very simple. We have a very good room in the EMAs. When there's a big room, I'm expecting a solid pullback. So that is something triggers any alarm. If there is a pullback, doesn't mean we are reversing. Means we might be getting a profit taking. If broken below, we are getting to the next level of support, which I'll keep you guys informed. But for now, the only thing we need to look is signal, which is my engulfing pattern to go long. That is all we are looking at. Once we have that, we are just gonna go long. Keep an eye. Once we are broken above these highs, in that case, I'll still look for my pullback entry bullish. Again, signal is something I'll be looking at, which is my pullback entry bullish to go long till the next level, which I keep you guys informed. For now, I'm expecting a further continuation with pullbacks or without pullbacks, but I want to see a confirmation to go long. Volume is very high. I'm expecting a massive moves out of gas soon. Now, no wonder. Keep an eye on this channel, on this pattern, I mean. If that's turned out to be a bullish engulfer, that's my buy signal, and I'll be going long using 1 ATR for the target. If not, keep an eye on the support that is broken right here, which is 3.539 goes to 3.625. That's the support I'll be looking at for my entry condition. I'll be also marking my FIB tool right here. For aggressive trader, as you can see, 50% entry has been triggered, or if you're not an aggressive trader, then 382 is also an entry for me. So looking at that, aggressive entry has been triggered here. I'm expecting a move up to 786.1 and then at least till this resistance level, talking about aggressive entry. So that's a good example of aggressive entry that has been triggered. If you want to use a lower level, that is totally fine. In that case, that is also less aggressive. You have more time for a pullback, and that is something for the limit order. So we'll see where it goes, or a pullback entry bullish is something I'll be looking at for on 4-hour time frame. And same goes with MCX. Keep an eye on the support resistance above for the short trades, pullback entry bullish for the long trades. And on capital.com, exactly the same. All the condition I've just mentioned. Next up, we have gold. What a move we have got here on gold, and what a big and badass trades we've been taking. I've been showing my live account to you as well. So for the keyboard warriors, I'm taking these trades. When there is condition, I don't hesitate. I just take my trades. Now, at this point, I'm actively looking for either a bearish engulfer right here or some more pullback and bearish engulfer at 50 EMA to go short. That can go on 1 hour as well. If you look here on 1 hour time frame, that's a bearish engulfer happened right here. And looking at that, ATR is 1500 pips, and according to that, price moved down 1500 pips already. Students know that entry. If you are my student, you don't even need to wait for my signal. We had an entry right here, same entry right here, follows all the rules. So at this point, I'll be just looking for my entry on 4 hour with my bearish engulfing pattern. So only selling till we get to this minor area from where we can expect some bounce and then a possible fall back down. So bounce is something we look for and capture for the profits. Keep an eye, still bearish, but I'm looking for the pullback entry bearish. Next up, we have silver. Silver has formed a right shoulder, completed a right shoulder, and looking at that, I'm expecting a push up at least to this termination zone right here. So we'll see how that goes. Silver is bullish, means we can see a likely push up out of gold. Gold might be slow, or gold might hit this level, and silver will also push up. So looking at silver, I'm expecting a solid move up from here, could be till here, and once we have a move up, I'll be coming out of the trade. The next buy entry will happen above this high and close above this high. That will trigger another bullish move. So we'll see how this goes. That's my right shoulder here with this bullish engulfing pattern. Finally, we have crude oil. Again, similar as yesterday, nothing here, nothing new. We are just ranging sideways. So either a double top from here, it must pushes up and forms a bearish signal, or break below this low for me to go short. So that is all I'm looking at on crude oil, nothing else. Keep an eye on the breakout below or breakout above for bullish trades, or at this zone to take your sell trades with the possible double top patterns. So that's it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.